Namaskar, I am Dr. Radha Kashyap and today I am going to talk about the various styles of printing. Printing is a surface ornamentation technique in which the boundary of each color are fixed. We can also say that color designs are developed on fabric by printing with dyes and pigments in a paste form with specially designed machines. Printing is used to apply coloring in localized areas only it is called as localized dyeing. Printed fabrics usually have a clear cut edge in the printed portion on the face of the fabric. The fabric is first prepared and by the process of desizing, scoring and bleaching, and thereafter the printing is being carried out. There are three categories of printing. The first one is direct style of printing. It is one of the most common technique of color design application where the dye is directly applied onto the fabric. Dye is imprinted on the fabric in a paste form and any desired pattern may be formed using any of the printing methods such as block printing, screen printing or roller printing. It is the simplest and oldest style of printing. The characteristic feature of the direct style of printing is that darker colored prints emerge on a lighter ground. It involves transfer of paste containing dye to the appropriate areas of the fabric. After drying, the required localized dyeing of the fiber occurs during steaming or any other fixation process. The advantage of this style of printing is it is easiest style to print and it is least expensive, and it is also suitable for printing both simple and complicated designs. Next is discharge printing. In this printing, the fabric is dyed and then printed with a chemical that destroys the color in the design. This discharging of color from the previously dyed ground is carried out by discharging agents, which is usually an oxidizing or reducing agents which are capable of destroying color by oxidation and reduction. Example of these discharging agents are potassium chlorate, sodium chlorate, rangolite C, and stannous chloride. And the effect produced are very striking as they have the characteristic white color pattern on a darker background. However, due to the use of discharging agents, the strength of the fabric may be affected. And then the last style is the resist style of printing. In resist printing, the fabric is first printed with an agent that resists either dye penetration or dye fixation. During subsequent dyeing, only the areas free of the resist agent are colored. The resisting agents employed function either mechanically or chemically or sometimes in both the ways. The mechanical resist agents include wax, fat, resin, thickeners and pigments such as china clay and so on. Such mechanical resisting agents simply form a physical barrier between the fabric and the colorant. After the fabric has passed through the subsequent dyeing process, the resist paste is removed, leaving a white or a light colored pattern on a dark background. Some variations of the resist printing are batik, tie and dye, double printing, and ikat. Hence, to sum up, there are three styles of printing: direct, discharge, and resist, and one can easily distinguish between the three styles. As in direct printing, the background is in light color and the print is of dark color, whereas in case of discharge and resist style of printing, the background is of dark color and the print is of light color. Thank you.